Of 21 other districts soon, sir. We have requested FCR, sir, to use the funds of the disaster, etc. So we can have integrated control rooms, sir, which can be used for disaster purpose also, sir. They have enough funds at their disposal, and I've spoken to the FCR, sir, and we so they are the police in action kind of a thing. And okay, sir, it's kind of come down, sir, after we spoke to everyone, sir, after that meeting.
Here we won't need to construct outreach center again.
No, you won't, because you already done.
ਉਹ 53 ਉਹ ਕੱਢ ਕੇ ਸਰ ਔਰ ਮੀਨਿੰਗ ਸਾਨੂੰ 85 ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ
नहीं सारा बना के कितने
201 ਬਣਾਉਣੇ
201 ਬਣਾਉਣੇ ਆ
ਹਾਂਜੀ 201 ਵਿੱਚੋਂ 85 ਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਲੈਂਡ ਅਵੇਲੇਬਲ ਹੈ ਕੋਈ ਇਮੀਡੀਏਟ 116 ਚ ਲੈਂਡ ਅਵੇਲੇਬਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ exercise is again required to be done by the concerned SSBs to give us
Okay. One thing, what is the total income coming per month?
with the basically service tax department and income tax department, and I want exemptions before we give them any accounts. We have not yet prepared the accounts. For that reason, we have got exemptions out of through one agency, and 30 we have got the exemption. So we have got the precedent now. Income tax exemption.
What
sir, 2 crore ले जाएंगे सर. 30% ये income tax वो ले जाएंगे. Then they will take
Income tax का तो ये खर्चा पाके पूरा कर लोगे. It is one society.
every outreach center, every सांझ के अंदर separate.
Why do you need to do everything?
We need to do it. ਜਿਹਦੇ ਫਿਰ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਟੋਟਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਟੈਕਸੇਬਲ ਇਨਕਮ ਆ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੈ ਅੱਜ ਜੇ 10 ਲੱਖ ਤੋਂ ਘੱਟ ਸਾਡੀ ਐਨੂਅਲ ਇਨਕਮ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਐਨੂਅਲ ਰਿਸੀਟਸ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਟੈਕਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ ਇਵਨ ਸਰਵਿਸ ਟੈਕਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ so for that purpose we have deliberately did it after consulting all these tax collectors.
Okay.
Saving tax. So tax we have saved.
No. So okay. What else?
So approximately 6 crore ਰੁਪਏ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇਨਕਮ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਖਰਚੇ ਰੈਗੂਲਰ
If you can give me an assessment कि एक society ਦਾ ਜਿਵੇਂ you can keep ਇਹਦੀ any income ਹੈ ਤੇ would you think this will take care of all expenses?
Recurring cost ਸਾਡੀ 7 ਕਰੋੜ ਰੁਪਏ ਸਾਲ ਦੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਸਰ which will take care of this. ਮਤਲਬ ਸਾਡੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ facilitation charges ਨੇ that will take care of the recurring cost of full year for running all the centers.
Okay.
Recurring cost will be.
So they should examine whether they can give loan and do debt servicing through their income.
Basically, you see, but when we worked it out, it was higher because all of people are from our police department. So what we are feeling is that 7 crores will be good enough for taking care of recurring cost of all the centers in the state. So that will be able to mobilize from the
नहीं
state.
ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਬਣ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੈ
Sir,
ਤੇ what will be your revenue? 7 ਕਰੋੜ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ.
ये सर total service तो नहीं है.